In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the quick settings panel, click See All Settings. At the top navigation menu, click the Advanced tab, scroll down until you find the Templates section, then select the Enable Radio button. After enabling templates, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Now click the Compose button in the top left corner to create a new email. In the body of the message, type the auto reply message you want Gmail to send automatically. This could be out of office response or a standard reply you frequently use. Once your message is ready, click the More Options icon, which is the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner of the composting window. Hover over Templates, select Save Draft as Template, and then click Save as New Template. Enter a name for your template, such as Out of Office, and click Save. Next, go to the search bar at the top of Gmail and click the Show Search Options icon, which looks like three horizontal sliders. Enter your filter criteria. For example, type a keyword in the subject field like urgent, or add specific words in the words field such as help. After setting your criteria, click Create Filter at the bottom of the search options box. In the next window, check the box for Send Template and choose the template you just saved from the drop-down menu. Then click the blue Create Filter button. From now on, whenever an incoming email matches the criteria you set, Gmail will automatically send the template as a reply. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.